Hi, I'm Mayan Reddy. I've spent close to 30 years in the corporate world working as a change and transformation specialist, supporting teams and navigating high pressure environments. Over time, I experienced burnout myself, and that changed how I think about work, energy, productivity, and what sustainable success actually looks like. Today, I help overloaded professionals move from constant pressure to calm, sustainable performance so they can stay effective, relevant, and in control as work continues to evolve. Because work is changing, AI and technology are accelerating it, and many professionals are feeling the pressure without clear direction on how to adapt. If work has been feeling heavier than it should lately, you're not alone, and there is a better way to work through it. That's what I explore on this channel.